Alright guys, so finally Apple has now officially released iOS 26.2.1. In today's video, we're going to go over everything you need to know in regards to this latest software update. Now, aside from iOS 26.2.1, Apple also released iPadOS 26.2.1 and watchOS 26.2.1, all available to download as of today. Now, interestingly enough, aside from iOS 26.2.1, Apple also released iOS and iPadOS 18.7.4, iOS and iPadOS 16.7.13, iOS and iPadOS 15.8.6, and iOS and iPadOS 12.5.8. So yeah, important security patches being put in place all the way back to iOS 12. Again, if you have an iOS 18 device, you have a software update waiting for you as of today. Again, that's going to be iOS 18.7.4, available to download for iOS and iPadOS. Again, Apple patching very important security flaws within the operating system all the way back to iOS 12, which is kind of crazy to see. But yeah, let's talk about iOS 26.2.1, what we can expect moving forward, and why Apple has released this software update. So today, Apple has officially announced AirTags 2. The second generation AirTags are now available with more powerful precision finding, and you can find items at up to 50% further away than the original AirTags first generation. You have a new Bluetooth chip inside for a longer range. We have 50% louder speaker. We also have new chime sounds, and will be available as of today for $29 for one AirTag or $99 for a pack of 4, which is basically the same price as the original AirTags first generation. Now, Apple has also unveiled a new Black Unity watch band. This is a special edition braided solo band honoring Black History Month, and again, it is available as of today, so you can go ahead and order yours today. We may also see new Unity wallpapers added to future versions of iOS. I'll keep you posted, but again, Apple today announcing new AirTags second generation and a new Unity watch band. So iOS 26.2.1, as I mentioned, currently available for everyone to download as of today. Now, this new software update provides support for Apple's AirTags second generation announced today by Apple, alongside bug fixes. Now, Apple was not specific as into which bugs they're looking to fix with this new software update. There's 3 major issues that iOS users continue to report. Number 1, excessive battery drain. So hopefully iOS 26.2.1 will address some of the battery drain issues for some users. There was also Wi-Fi connection issues being reported by multiple users, including myself. So hopefully we'll see Wi-Fi connection improvements with iOS 26.2.1. And there was also some Face ID issues happening for some users on the latest iOS 26. So hopefully 26.2.1 will address some of those Face ID issues that some users were reporting on iOS 26.2. Now, I always like to mention that if you don't have an alternate appearance set up on your iPhone with Face ID, I would recommend you do that after updating to iOS 26.2.1 to have more data points of your face in order for Face ID to recognize you a little better. I think it's always a good idea. Either way, Apple adding support for AirTags second generation and adding bug fixes and security improvements for iPhone with the latest iOS 26.2.1. Now, obviously, more days go by, I'll know exactly how the battery is like on this latest software update. I'll know if Wi-Fi issues and Face ID issues have actually been resolved. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. I'll keep you guys posted with a follow-up video. But again, 26.2.1 now available for everyone to download. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.